This is a real home designed to fix real layout problems. Using a Japandi approach, every piece has a purpose, so the space feels balanced and easy to use. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas. You get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. In Bedroom 1, the layout creates a clear and usable space. Next, Bedroom 2, the design keeps the room light and uncluttered. Moving to the toilet and bath, the arrangement keeps everything within reach. Now the space works better and feels easier to use every day. Everything is organized, comfortable, and planned with purpose. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.